do you hear me?
Yes.
They haven't bought the fish from the market yet. Brother is going to come over today. He has requested for this particular dish.
Grandmother, listen. I'll go to the market and buy the fish. Got it? Take it. I'll ride my bicycle Munni and go to the market. Uncle Amrish left in the morning. Brother Som also went with him. Sid may claim that he'll go to the market, but I don't think he can do it. He also said that he would buy fish. He won't be able to stand the smell. He's not like Mithai. She has done a lot of shopping since she was a child.
Enough. You've boasted a lot. Going to the market is no big deal. Grandma, I'll do one thing. I'll order the fish online and they'll deliver it at home. But you please tell Mithai to cook the fish properly. Actually, Grandpa doesn't prefer oily food.
Hold on, Siddharth. How have you decided to buy fish?
Online, Grandpa? I mean, just the way you deliver sweets at home, they'll deliver fish at your doorstep.
No, fish is...
Grandpa, I don't understand something. Why are you exaggerating fish shopping as if it's something rare? Why do you overreact all the time? Look, I want to know only two things. Which fish do you want me to buy and how much? That's it. Nothing else.
Oh Lord, please do something. Indians are now going to order fish online. How will you know which fish is fresh and which one is not fresh? Grandfather, please say something.
What do I say? Sushma, how do I explain this to him?
Strange. What do you have to explain? I mean, fish is fish. What's this like? Bengalis can't order fish online, but others can. What is Mithai trying to say?
Oh Lord, you can't buy fish like that. The taste of the dish depends on the quality of the fish.
Mom? What happened? What has happened in this house again? Has Mithai and Sid fought once again? Okay, Dad, what is happening in this house? Whenever I come to this house, do I have to watch Sid and Mithai fight every time? Mithai, you say?
Oh, Aunt, why don't you tell your angry son that everything can't be done with a phone and laptop? Our great uncle is coming home after a long time. He wanted to eat fish curry. And Sid is going to order fish online for him.
What's the problem if I do so? I don't get it.
Please wait.
No, Siddharth, there's no problem. Actually, you need to check the fish when you buy it. I mean, you have
yes.
to press its stomach, check the inside. You unnecessarily took up the challenge.
You must remember. Well, Sid has already accepted the challenge, right? Now he can't back out. Listen, Sid, do something. Take Mithai to the market with you.
Yes.
Oh, one second. Hold it. Rajiv, you challenged me yesterday and now you're backing out. Are you scared? I mean, you think that Siddharth Modak can't go to the market alone to buy fish. You think I'll need Mithai's help, right?
Brother Sid, the fish market is very dirty. You can't go there. Forget it.
Yes.
No, I can't forget it at any cost. You're talking as if the entire city is clean like foreign countries. I know the people litter the streets, but I've accepted the challenge and I'll complete it, that's it.
What?
Don't be surprised. I have accepted a challenge and I will complete it, that's it.
Listen to me, Sid. What I'm saying is that you just go and buy fruits. Please don't buy fish.
Grandma, please don't insult me like this. Look, I've accepted a challenge
I know the rest. Siddharth Modak never loses any challenge. Am I right? Grandson, my good grandson, please forget the challenge this time. You know that he's your grandmother's elder brother. I'll be in trouble if anything goes wrong.
Grandpa, this is what I feel bad about. I'm a business school graduate. I work in a responsible position in a reputed company. It's a big corporate house. When you underestimate me like this, I really feel hurt. What's this?
Shopping bag. You can't carry the fish in your hands, right? Oh Lord, grandfather, he's going to the market in his car. What shall we do now? That's it. We don't know how many people he'll knock down with his car. What will happen to Sid? No, listen to me. Hey.
Come on.
Sid went to the market.
Yes, I can see it, Mom.
Listen, please stop. Don't go.
What?
You can't go to the market in the car. You have to take money.
What? Come again?
I don't believe this. Finally, Sid will ride on bicycle to go to the market.
Hey, Shri. Will this really happen?
What are you all up to? You are laughing at her nonsense. No, how dare she offer me her broken bicycle? Do you think I'll go to the market on that?
What do you mean? You can't insult my money like that. Grandfather? I can't accept this anymore. My Munni has been repeatedly insulted. I demand that my Munni is given her due respect. If Mithai can ride your grandson's car, then why can't he ride Munni?
Come on. Answer her now.
We want an answer, answer us.
We want an answer.
We want an answer, answer us. We want an answer, answer us.
We want an answer. Answer us.
I agree with Mithai on this matter. You always insult Munni without any reason.
No, a husband can't do this. Yes.
Right. Move aside. No, Siddharth. This is not right. Yeah, you don't have the right to insult Mithai and her belongings.
This is not acceptable, Sid.
Siddharth, you have to prove that you didn't insult Mithai's bicycle, Munni. How will you prove it? You have to ride Mithai's bicycle to prove it.
What? Is this some kind of a joke or what? No, I mean, I can't tolerate this anymore. Seriously.
Grandfather. Let it be, grandfather. Leave him. Your grandson is a big shot. Big shot always drive cars. He doesn't like bicycle. He might be involved in an accident.
Mithai, there's a limit to everything. She has doubts if I can ride the bicycle or not. Can she ride a bicycle? No, she can't.
So I can't ride a bicycle, but he can ride it very well. Don't insult me. Ride the bicycle and prove yourself.
Where are you going?
Where are you going with my Munni?
Siddharth Modak never lost a challenge, okay? I'll go to the market on this bicycle and get the best quality fish. Ask your genius to be ready. Let me also see how well she can cook. I'm being insulted for everything. Siddharth Modak.
Hey.
Siddharth.
Grandpa, now there's a problem. Lord, Help!
Help!
Rajiv,
Yes.
he already got the task of buying fish. Now he's gone to the market on Munni. I hope he'll buy the right fish.
Come on, fresh fish, fresh fish.
Fresh.
Only for 50 rupees, fresh fish. Hurry up, fresh fish, fresh fish.
Fresh fishes.
Come on, ladies, come on,
Best
gents.
quality fish. Come on.
Fresh
Best quality
fish,
Take
fresh
cheap prices.
fish.
You won't
Come
get
on,
this
come
quality
here.
of fish anywhere, sir. Come on.
We have the best quality, sir. Try once. Here, come here, sir.
Oh no.
Madam, come here.
How can a place
We
be
have
so
the best
dirty?
quality fish, madam.
How can the litter everywhere? To add to this, I've got a
Come
world
here,
famous
this
bicycle.
shop. Come, I will
Ridiculous.
give you for cheap.
It would have been better if I'd come on foot.
Fresh fishes, fresh fishes.
Sid, everything will
Come on,
change
come here,
after a
madam.
month. Just concentrate on the fish.
Yeah, this
Focus,
is very
okay?
cheap. Buy it from us. Yes, very fresh. I got it in the morning.
Hey,
Here,
what are
here.
you doing? Please walk carefully.
Sir, here, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Come, it is very fresh. Yes, at wholesale price. Come on, take it away. Take it for your family. Take it for your cousins. Take it for your friends. Come, sir. It's very fresh. Come here. Sir, listen. Come here. I'll give it to you for cheap. Come here, sir. Come on. Fresh fishes. I've got early in the morning. What are you looking for, sir? Come here.
Fresh fish. Wholesale.
Come here, sir. Best
The best
quality
quality
fish.
fish in the market.
Come
Wholesale.
at very affordable prices. Take it for your family, sir. Take it for your friends. Come on. Come here, sir. Freshwater fish, seawater fish, everything is here. What are you looking for, sir? Come here to my shop. Hello, sir. Come here, take this, ma'am. Take this. Yeah, this is very fresh. What do you want, sir? Yes, sir. What do you want? Come, sir. What do you want? Tell me. Sir, all the fishes are very fresh. This is kingfish. This is rohu, tangra.
Wait, let me check.
It's very fresh, sir. Tell me. What do you want? Pomfret, tangra.
Mister, wait, I'm seeing.
Come, fresh fish. Come to this shop. We have fresh fishes, all the fishes. Come on, sir. Come here, madam. We are giving it for cheap. Come here, madam. Come here. Come on, fresh fishes. Yes, sir. Which one do you want, sir? Show me. Yes, you also come, madam. Yeah, it is very fresh. Best quality fish, madam. Very cheap prices. Come on. We have got all the fishes. Pomfret, tangra. Everything is here.
I think
Come
this
here.
is the one. They look similar. Shall I ask him? No. He'll ask a lot of questions. And then he'll think that I don't know anything. And then he'll cheat me. No, let it be. Mister, can you cut this fish?
Yes, sir. Why not? How much do you want?
The whole thing. The whole fish. How much?
It will cost you 600. Check it. It's absolutely fresh, sir.
Yeah, put it down. Fine, put it down. Come on, put it down.
Wholesale. Fresh fish.
You cut it
Yes, sir.
and put it in this bag.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
I'll wait here. Call me when you're done.
Yes, no problem.
You keep this. Lord knows why they didn't let me order the fish online. It would have been a lot easier. No. Bengalis eat fresh fish. Fresh. Nonsense.
Oh no, when will he come? Oh Lord, please help Mr. Bitterguard. He has taken up a big challenge. What to say? Did you bring it? It means Sid has managed to buy fish. I don't believe this.
Has he brought fish? Are you sure that you bought fish only?
Check if I've brought fish or not. Tell everybody. You're an expert, right?
Oh no. I think he has brought some other fish. No, this is not the one we asked for.
What happened? Everyone's waiting for your genius expert opinion. Tell everybody if Siddharth Modak can buy fish from the market or not. And you had so much to boast about. You'll stop bragging now. It's absolutely fresh. Fresh.
Fresh.
Fresh.
Fresh.
Mithai, did Sid pass the test?
Mithai, why are you so quiet? Say something. I'm sure he didn't buy the right fish. Isn't it?
You're criticizing again. Actually, Mithai is at a loss for words after seeing the fish. She never expected me to do this task so smoothly, that too with her stupid bicycle. By the way, I've parked your silly bicycle outside. You can go and check. Actually, I want to tell you something. All of you challenge me all the time. Stop doing it. Don't challenge me again.
Yes, right. Rajiv, never criticize him again, okay? Mom, I cannot believe that Siddharth went to the fish market, identified the fish and cut it and brought it. Hey, Mithai. I hope the fish isn't stale. Let me check.
Show her, Mithai. Aunt, I want to say that you don't know what I'm capable of. Why are you all confused?
Mithai? Mithai, give me the bag.
No, Aunt. He has brought the right fish. Okay, I'll go and clean the fish. I have to cook it. It will take some time. Come on, move aside. How could I give her the bag? If I had given it to her, they would have realized that Sid had brought the wrong fish. They would have made fun of him. How could Mithai let it happen?
Mithai, do you know how to cook the dish? Or shall I help you?
Hey, Grandma, we are here. We will help Mithai. You can go to the puja room and start worshipping.
Rajiv? Do you believe this? Has this really happened? Neepa, Shri, pinch me. Come on. Listen, Dad. Please say something.
Yes. Hail, my lord. I don't know what other surprises are there.
No, Grandpa, this is not magic. This is an analysis. I told you that nothing is impossible when we have the internet, right? What happened, Ratul? Sandy? Rajiv? Why is none of you speaking? It's strange to see all of you so quiet.
No, Siddharth, I must say, hats off to you. It took me a long time to identify the different varieties of fish.
Brother Sid, I mean, did you touch the fish and check it?
No, Sandy. What are you saying? The fishmonger helped him, right?
Listen,
Ratul, what are you saying? Sid has won such a tough challenge. All of us must congratulate him. But instead of it, we're trying to find faults in him.
Absolutely right. Even I cannot support this. Brother Sid, congrats.
thank you, Neepa.
Of course. Okay, all of you repeat with me. Your Majesty, you are great.
Your Majesty, you are great.
Applause.
The drama in this family will never end. I'll go and change. Move aside.
Hey Lord. Thankfully, one episode is over. Hey Mithai, cook the fish nicely. Your grandma's elder brother has a great sense of taste. You know, he cooks for himself. He's very particular about taste.
That's it. You are criticizing my elder brother. Do you remember how you were? When you were young, you were very finicky about food.
Dad, this is not right. Mom, finish your chores in the prayer room and come to the kitchen. Nanda, come with me. Mithai!
And Opa, nobody has to come to help me. I will manage alone.
Why are you behaving like this? Won't you let us touch the fish your husband brought?
Nanda, you have become very naughty. It's the effect of Rajiv's company. Mithai, why will you do everything single-handedly? I'll help you. Let's go.
No, Aunt. Actually, grandfather wants her granddaughter-in-law to cook. For 1 month, I mean,
My grandson has taken up this challenge for a month, but you will be my granddaughter-in-law for life. Come on, say whatever you want to. You don't have to fear your husband.
no. Why will I be scared of him? Actually, I wanted to cook this dish alone. Let me try, please.
Nanda, let Mithai cook the dish. She cooks so well, she won't be nervous.
Right, you are absolutely right. I have complete faith in Mithai. She cooks tasty, just like Siddharth's mom, Aarti. Sushma, you remember how delicious her food was? Mithai, come here. Listen, you must cook the dish so well that my brother-in-law says that he'll come to India every year only to have the food cooked by you. Can you do it, Mithai?
I will try, grandfather. Oh Lord, please help. He didn't buy the proper fish. I'll have to make the dish with the fish he has brought. I just pray that it tastes good. Oh Lord, please.